The COVID-19 vaccines are a big topic of contention among anti-vaxxers and the medical community. And now new questions today about access to that vaccine. Scripps News Global Affairs correspondent Maya Rodriguez is following this story. She joins me now live from our D.C. newsroom. And Maya, the FDA issued a major update on COVID vaccines. What does it mean for people who are thinking about getting it this fall?
Well, Andrew, the FDA announced new approval for the COVID-19 vaccine on Wednesday. Getting the shot may be easier for some groups, but experts tell us others could end up paying for it out of pocket. The FDA approved new COVID-19 shots for the fall, but only for a limited number of Americans. Under its new guidance, the vaccine is approved for all adults 65 and older, but only for younger adults and kids with at least one medical condition that puts them at risk for severe illness from COVID. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. said on social media the new vaccines, quote, are available for all patients who choose them after consulting with their doctors. But many health experts say the change is in line with Kennedy's history of vaccine skepticism and will make it harder for some people to get a COVID shot.
The FDA guidance will limit accessibility of the vaccine to individuals because it puts additional hurdles in place for otherwise healthy individuals to get the vaccine.
Andy Pekosh is a virologist and says the move could mean fewer people get the vaccine. A CDC advisory panel that will meet in September still needs to vote to recommend the vaccine. Kennedy fired all of the panel's members and appointed new ones earlier this year. The panel's decision could determine if insurers will cover the COVID-19 vaccine for people outside of the recommended groups, according to Dr. Evan Nadler.
If you're outside those age groups right now, it's unclear whether your insurance company will pay for that shot.
If insurers don't cover the vaccines, some patients could end up paying more than $140 out of pocket. That CDC panel is scheduled to meet in mid-September, but Republican Senator Bill Cassidy, who is both the chair of the Senate Health Committee and a medical doctor, has called for the panel to postpone its meeting over concerns about its membership, the meeting agenda, and what he says are allegations about a lack of scientific process being followed. He says if the panel does meet, its recommendations should be rejected. Andrew?
So Maya, if you are not older than 65 or have some sort of underlying medical condition, will you be able to get this shot?
Well, Kennedy said anyone who wants the vaccine could get one after consulting with their doctor, but it's not clear what exactly that entails. Health experts we spoke with said that having doctors sign off on it could create an extra hurdle that prevents more people from getting the shot. Andrew?
Scripps News Global Affairs correspondent Maya Rodriguez for us. Maya, thank you.